Thanks for clicking on the video. What's up, drone pilot? Welcome back, and if you're new here, I am Neil J, and I came here today to fly my DJI Avara 2 in a manual mode in this beautiful place here. It's at the park. So I came here today just regular training, manual mode. I want to refine my turning, like to be more smooth on the turning, because since I changed the HQ props, I had to increase my rates, and once I increased my rate, like my turns, they kind of a little bit jerky, like I'm turning harder than what I'm supposed to. I want it to be like more cinematic, like kind of turn. So I've been working on that to refine my skills, and I figured I could bring you with me today on my training, and I hope you like it. Those HQ props are really amazing. I know I keep talking about them, but because they're really amazing, they're really nice. It makes the Avara fly smoothly, more like aerodynamic kind of flying. Okay, I just got the clear for takeoff. Go ahead and start recording. Okay, recording. 30 degrees and on the camera angle. Engine start. Let's go. It's early in the morning, so the sun is shining kind of high and low. So again, what I came here to work on is turn smoothly. Right now I'm turning like this, and I'm not liking it. I'm not liking these kind of turns, though, because it's very irresponsive. I like to start turning like a little bit more smoothly, like this. So I'm refining those turns. Someone is there, I'm going away. I think I need to relax more, because I get a little bit worried and tense, and my fingers, they get tense. So I need to be more relaxed. I know this is what I need to do first, is to be more relaxed. It's easy to say, but it's hard to do, believe me, because in your mind you're thinking all the time, oh, I'm gonna crash it, oh, I'm gonna crash it. So being more smooth and relaxed is definitely the answer. But when you're smooth on the turn at the same time, the turn is very slow. So if you have something, let's say, oh, I don't want to do this, I want to turn around, it has to get like a little bit aggressive, which is fine, but most of the times I like to be smooth. So right now I'm getting my finger relaxed. I'm turning to the right, but I still feel my finger hasn't relaxed yet, so I'm giving my finger more time. Can't try to do like hit a gap here. Relaxed. So I try to, okay, this is low, nice. So I try to turn first, then yaw. Turn, then yaw. Okay, let me do another spin here. Nice. My fingers are getting a little bit more relaxed. I'm trying to tell myself everything is okay, don't worry, you're not gonna hit anything. So I'm talking in my head right now, telling myself, hey man, relax, you got this. So first turn, then yaw, as you see here. Me do those forward flips. I don't do them very often. I still haven't gotten figure out what's the point of them. Okay, turn, then yaw. $270, dive. I want to do a dive and spin at the same time if I can, which I did. Let's see if we can do this gap again. Oh man, flying low on top of the water is not very comfortable feeling. Okay, as you see, I turn, then I'm yawing right now. You do like 360 here. Nice. So far, so good. I'm being cautious, just make sure no one is there. It's early in the morning, not too many people out here today yet. So I scout the area before I come this low. I just flew on top of it, make sure nobody's here before ow, licking the grass. I mean, I felt like I was getting close, but I don't want to do those jerky moves that I was telling you about earlier. Man, I don't know what's going on, but my right finger keeps shaking. So it feels sometimes like I need to do jerky moves in order for me to save myself. Turn, and then yaw. Coming to fly with you, bird. Oh, those birds are really lucky. I wish I have them wings. Well, the Avara does give me those wings, but not as the natural thing, right? That's why we are humans naturally don't fly. So flying comes with risk for us. Man, I'm kind of enjoying this, but I don't have no more battery. But seriously, I'm enjoying it right now. Okay, turn, then yeah. Okay, it says battery is low, return home. All right, we're just gonna do that. Okay, 24%, that's enough. Okay, we're clear to land. Another successful flight. Here it is, and those HQ props, they look really cool too. Not only they are functional, they look really cool. And like I said, I'm still working on those smoothing those turns. Like when I'm turning right and left here, my finger is like shaking like this. Which I don't. My fingers don't shake. Okay, they relax right now. But when I start doing this and it goes like that, I'm not quite sure what's going on. I think I just need to relax more. That's what I'm thinking. Well, thanks for joining today, and I hope you enjoy the training flight. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any question, leave it down below in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.
Focus on melody.